So basically what my project does, it trains an AI on a data set of 5 years of the stock market, of the New
Mm-hmm.
York Stock Exchange, and then uh, using some code and a UI on Streamlit, you can put in one of the stocks in that data set. So the data set that we trained it on is for 7 stocks. You can put in one of those stocks and predict the stock up to 1 year into the future. And we can like make it more than a year, but obviously like the longer predictions, the less accurate it is. But you can predict it up to 1 year in the future, and it shows like a little graph with all the prices, so it can help investors make choices about the stocks.
Okay, so can you share your screen and show me how your project works?
Sure. Let me just pull it up real quick. Okay. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can.
Okay, let me just pull up one other thing to explain this better. Hold on. Okay. So to start off, this is the data set that we trained the model on. It has almost 100,000 rows, or sorry, almost 700,000 rows, but we just trained it on the first 10,000 rows. So there's in the first 10,000 rows, there's 7 different stock tickers here. And then these are all the different data points, like the open, high, lows, close, and volume. And then these 7 stocks we encoded. So AAL, which is American Airlines, that shows up as stock number 1 because the AI can recognize numbers easier than the letters. So in like just for reference, in my project, stock 1 will be AAL, stock 2 will be whatever's below AAP, and then so on and so forth, and it goes up till 7. And so here's the um, here's the web app. So you select up to the 7 stocks, like which one you want to predict. So for the first one, which is American Airlines, you can predict it 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, or a year. And so say I wanted to predict it for 1 year, you click predict, and then it generates a graph showing the historical prices based on the trained data set. And then it shows 1 year into the future what it's predicted to be. And then you can zoom in on the graph and things, zoom out, like see all the prices and stuff. So it's pretty cool. Like here it says the price is going to be 55. Go up here it's 61. So it can help investors make good choices about their stocks.
So it looks really cool.